Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new knife, a new brand that I recently got. The brand is called Byond EDC. It's a really nice interesting logo. These are made in China. The model number is BEDC 2102-SA. We have another number in FS1509, so I don't know, this is probably the number of the knife, and they call it Garra. Comes in this standard box, a little piece of information about the company and the warranty. Yeah. So the design is by Dirk Pinkerton. They will provide you with this some kind of cloth type pouch, and here is the knife itself. So it has a easy opening function with this cutout here, with the thumb ridge, or how to call them. It is a modified Talon design, which they say it is set apart from the hawkbill. The Talon blade has a point to start the cut with a piercing action, followed by a draw cut to maximize the power of the recurve edge. So let me give you the specification really quickly. So we have a overall length of 18.3 centimeters, is 7.2 inches. The blade is 7.7 centimeters long, or 3 inches. The blade width is 3.4 centimeters or 1.3 inches. The thickness is 3.3 millimeters, 0.1 inch. The handle length is 10.5 centimeters or 4 inches. The handle thickness is 1.4 centimeters or 0.5 inches without the pocket clip. We have really aggressive jimping all over the knife. So on the back side here, on the front part, on the blade, and also here. The blade is made out of a VG10, which is satin polished with this bead blasted thumb ridge. We have Dirk's maker's mark, Byond EDC logo right there. The liners are stainless steel, they are skeletonized, and we have what they call it a micarta scales on it, but if you don't know, you will say it's probably G10. This is definitely that kind of heavy on the resin side, which some Chinese company are using. Definitely nothing as beautiful as some nice canvas micarta that some other brands are using. So yeah, it is what it is, but since it is brown micarta, I had to add it to my collection. Okay, so the blade is made out of VG10. We have KVT ball bearing washers, so it's beautifully nice and smooth, perfect centering. Yeah, you can thumb flick it or slow roll it. Let's see, the lock engagement is okay. We have really nice and early lockup. Everything is nicely polished. The pocket clip is fairly decent with a deep carry foldover design. Unfortunately, they don't use flush screws. I don't know if this is problematic to get flush screws. A lot of Chinese company can do this right, so I don't know why they are still using these rounded screws, but probably they are same on the body. So yeah. You can reverse it left and right, which is always good to say. They also always good to see. They also will give you a template. Yeah, fits in a large hand really well, given the straight design. So this will perform really excellently in those box cutting or rope cutting tasks. Let me show you the sharpness. So out of the box, really nice and sharp. But keep in mind that since this is a Talon or hogbill style blade, you will have to take care of the recurve blade. So better to take care of it than to dull it up, and then you will have problems to resharpen it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's do the isopropyl alcohol on the scale. So this looks like it is treated very well, so it will not probably not change the color so much. And now let's see the pocket profile. It did go in very easily, so this is how much it will stick out. What happened right there? It opened. Okay, that is interesting. Let me check it out once more. Because as far as I know, I did not see any kind of Emerson opening feature on it. So it probably snagged somewhere here. Okay, I have to test it out and see what's going on. Really interesting. Okay, so let's see. We have a overall weight of 111.5 grams. That is 4 ounces. So decently lightweight. One more thing I forgot to show you: the stiffness of the pocket clip is really nice. So I would say medium to soft. This will provide you excellent traction and also resheathing or reinserting in your pocket. Blade play up and down, no blade play whatsoever. So this is nice to see. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So firstly, let me bring out a few Tucsons that I have in my collection. This will be the number 48, which is one of those OG Tucsons that have similar styled blades. And I don't know if these are still available. Maybe if you look up maybe White Mountain Knives, they should have lots of these models available. There is also a G10 version of it. So this was the 48. And I have the model 202, which was donated to the channel by Tucson. And yeah, this is a rattlesnake design. As you can see there, this is a substantially larger knife, but you can see similarities if you prefer these hogbill slash Talon slash karambit style curved blades, then this is a beautiful model with nice brown micarta scales, and also similar deep carry pocket clip. Last one here on the table is the newest one. This is the model 181. I have to take it out from the box, sorry about that. And this is the mini micro. So here you have it, blade to blade ratio. If you are looking for something like the Spyderco Cricket, then, and this is a good point, let me bring out one Cricket. I have not shown this blade in a long time, so this is one of my modified desk duty Crickets with the probably by now not more patented S-shaped blade. So there you have it. Okay, let's also put in the picture my custom dark edge knives, Vampira neck knife. With these beautiful composite scales. And now let's continue with some more traditional knives, or should I say the usual knives that I compare the knife with. So here is a Cigar KT Pilar, and before I continue, let's talk about the pricing. So these are priced at $62, depending on your retailer. Can be a little bit less, of course, maybe if they are on sale, so keep that in mind. They're definitely a decent value. I would say if they were around 48, maybe around 50, it would be a better value, because I see lots of back in the days, lots of similar design knives from Chinese manufacturing going for that price, but everything is going up with price recently. So yeah, I guess 62 is the new 50. So let's continue. So this was the Pilar 1. Here is the QSP Penguin. Let's continue with the CVV Elementum. Here's the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 in micarta. My clone Benchmade Bug Out. CGRB Feldspar Mini. Here is the Kaiser Big Lighter 2. Small Reptilian from Benchmade. Kershaw Leak. Let's see. Let's do the CVV Rustic Gent. Here is a Case Saltbuster Junior. The Rough Rider Peanut. Red Model 2. Spyderco Delica. And let's see the K-bar dorsal folding hunter. So closing thoughts. So let's say for around $62, if you are looking for a really nice Talon / Hawkbill style blade for your everyday needs, this should fit the bill really nicely. I would like to have a better quality micarta than these kind of resin saturated ones that, if I'm not mistaken, petrified fish done in the past. So who knows, maybe they are the OEM for this one. But something like a canvas style or even a burlap style will probably fit better. But overall, a really nice knife with a good design and good blade shape for those type of works. So if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to as many future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly nothing guaranteed, but sometimes I do other stuff regarding my hobbies. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.